Tyree, loser, low-life, racist, piece of crap, sneeze. I had a quick question for you. If you don't need YouTube so much, and YouTube is, in your words, whack, BS, and you don't need them because they're just all this corny and this and that, but you're on here every day talking the same nonsense, doing the same nonsense, and acting the same way, but you always say you don't need YouTube. Then why are you on YouTube every day then? And why are you still waiting for this getting paid from YouTube? Why you need it so? Why you keep bringing it up and acting like you need it so much? But then, on the same hand, you say you don't need YouTube. YouTube is corny, boring, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So that's my question to you. Why are you on it every day if you don't need it and you don't use YouTube? Because you got a show, even though you know you have no show without YouTube. And it ain't your show, it's YouTube. So stop saying that idiotic crap. And I got a little challenge for you, since you're better than everybody and you tougher, mentally tougher than everybody, and blah, 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 blah. Let's lay down a bet. I bet you anything you want, $50. I bet you $50 that you can't stay off YouTube for one day. One day. No freaking talking. No videos. You just sitting there looking like a hillbilly. Nothing. Can you go one day off of social media? Just one day. That frankly, I know what's going to happen. You too spineless to do something that takes discipline. That takes hard work to do. And that's the thing. That's what makes it funny. It shouldn't take hard work to just stay off YouTube. But we're talking about Tyree, loser, lowlife, sneeze, person that haven't had a spine since the day he's born. A pussy boy at that. So that's my challenge to you, sissy boy. And like I always say, pay up, because I'm coming to whoop your tail. And yes, after I whoop your tail, I am going to pay homage to me whooping your tail. I am going to give you the respect that you deserve, which is nothing. Nothing at all. You don't deserve respect. You ain't never going to get respect, so stop asking for it. And for the last goddamn time, you work at a goddamn labor ready. It's temp. You know how many people they go through? Do you know how many people go through a temp service? Crackheads go to labor ready because they get paid every day. You get money, you get it daily, you get it, by the time a crackhead get done working, they had that money spent in their head already. So stop acting like you are rare and you're the only person that ever did this and the boss saying you this or that. Shut up with that crap, man. Those people at those jobs see a turnover rate. Literally, it's like a weekly thing. So stop it, bro. Just stop. Another thing, stop saying, I got a job. You're losers, because I got a job. I work hard. I work this. So that makes you a loser then, because you didn't have a job for a while there. So did that make you a loser? You say everybody else is a loser because you got a job and they don't work. How you know they don't work? And second, that job you supposedly have it's literally a crappy job. But when losers think they got something good, they like to brag about it and talk about it. But what they don't understand is they are talking trash about nothing at all because y'all think y'all got something. Labor ready is one of the worst temp service because, for one, you don't get no respect from the employer that you're going to work at, because they look at you as like nothing but crackheads and meth heads looking for a quick buck, because they know they get paid every day. So congratulations, crackhead. You have a crackhead job, and you think you got everything. So, I'm gonna actually stop now because I'm tired of even saying your name. I said her to stop acting like you got a job at the Pentagon or something. Man, you're freaking labor ready. Loser. Sneeze.